or who? What? Siguro nung before kasi wakeboarding, yan. Ngayon, I can think of, as in right at this very moment, rubber shoes.
Bonding times. Plus there are times na me and Kuya bond lang, like us lang. And there are times also that the family bonds too. So for me, that's what I see. Yeah, I do that also sometimes kasi there are times I don't see him. And I just stay in mom and dad's room and sleep in their room since he's not coming home. So that's what I do just to make him feel like home, make him feel comfortable and stuff. Nag-banding kami minsan. Tapos, yung minsan nag-jokes ako, tapos corny. Natatawa pa rin siya, kahit corny. So, it's good.
I know who makes my Kuya smile.
And
Who?
Ate Barbie.
Are you sure?
Yes. He always.
Siya nagsabi niyo, hindi kami.
And
Pao, I think, well, nowadays, especially right after the concert ng Hashtags, that's one thing that is really proud of. Kami rin as a family. Malaking bagay yung napanood namin siya for the first time, on a big stage. And I think that's his main thing right now is his career. Pero prior to that, syempre yung importance sa kanya is, actually kagabi we just had a discussion coming from dinner last night, yung family. He's very happy na nandun yung support. He's very happy na nandyan kami behind him. Sa amin naman kasi simple joys. Like, sa kwarto lang kami lahat. Watching a movie. Kasi si Pao, si Ryle, ang stress buster niya is pag-uwi, pag wala siyang work. Dad, do we have any movie to watch? So, pag may movie kami to watch, ang next step is ano naman yung food na orderin while watching. So automatic yan, ganyan. Tapos sa room lang kami, all five of us, lalatag sila ng bed nila sa food ng bed namin. Tapos yun lang. Tapos after ng movie, analyze namin yung movie kasi mostly love stories nowadays ang request ni Riley. So hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Siya lang yata may alam kung bakit. So yun yung ano namin na ano naman si Pao is very simple. I mean, simple joys. Madali siya i-please. I think everybody naman yung showtime ng sunod na ganun yung personality niya. Madali siyang pag-appreciate. So, hindi siya mahirap patawanin. Ako mahirap patawanin sa mga jokes niya. Kasi sila
Corny
dalawang
din.
magkapatid. Saksakan ng batuhan ng corny jokes. Pero aside from that, yun, I think right now, in the present, yun nangyari dun sa hashtag concert. I think for him, yun yung talagang sobrang ano yun, double meaning yung hashtag, diba? Yung concert and yung number niya na related dun sa sinabi nito. So yun yung ano, so I think those are the biggest things that make him smile nowadays. And hopefully hindi maalis yung smile niya kasi he deserves it. I mean, he works hard for that smile.
He deserves it and more actually. Also yung pasalubong ng fans, letter ng fans, stuffed toy or whatsoever yung mga pinaghirapan na cards, collage.
Mga racket. Sana na kami sa pasalubong sa mga fans.
Bantuwa siya.
Pati sila Iloilo, lahat ng yung mga native
Delicacies.
nila. Lahat yan, bit-bit yan. So, kami damay din sa mga giveaways ng fans. Kaya thankful din kami sa mga sumusupport sa amin.
Ibang klase. What else? You want to say something else? Okay.
okay.
my Kuya is the best Kuya in my life. And my Kuya likes hugging me. And I love my Kuya. All of us love my Kuya, and we were and we always make some cards for him because when we meet him in his birthdays. And when I always bake, I let my family taste it and my Kuya taste my things that I bake. And he loves it.
Kasi yung focus na.
Alright.
Hindi pa done, Mama.
Ay, hindi.
Now you're gonna have a
Happy birthday, Kuya. Thank you for always protecting me all the time, for supporting me, and always being there for me. I love you, Kuya.
Kuya, I love you, Kuya. You're older than me. When I smile, I see you hugging me. And you're the best Kuya ever.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday, Pao. I don't know, parang I've been thinking of what to tell you. Wala akong maisip, but now bigla akong parang naiiyak because you're already 18. It means legal age. It means parang a year closer to the time na you'll be on your own. But sana you let us guide you pa rin because minsan lumalabas pa rin yung pagka-baby mo until such time na siguro dad and I can say na you can totally be on your own. And I'm very, very proud of you. I love seeing you perform on stage. You deserve that and you deserve more. Sana acting naman next time. And continue to strive harder to be up there because you really belong there. I love you.
Happy birthday, Pao. After your concert last week, I've been thinking of how to congratulate you. And hindi ko pa nagagawa. And I'm sure you're wondering also, ba't hindi ako nag-post sa IG ng congratulations sa'yo and all that. Pero, I think it sums it all up when I say that thank you for making us proud. It's probably one of the proudest moments for me and Mama's parents to see you up on the stage and perform in front of a lot of people on the big stage. And alam ko naman kaya mo, even though the day before you were nervous about it, nervous and excited, pero I know that you can. I know that you can do what we plan to do. And just be patient. Just be the good son that you are, that you've always been.
The obedient son doesn't work.
That's it.
Ay, sorry.
Anyway, basta one thing, I may be your biggest critic, but you know I'm always your #1 fan. And happy birthday, congratulations again, and God bless, kumain ka ng pansit,
Para long life.
para long life. Love you, Mom.